Okay, this is what I believe to be my first video review, and it's of this little micro USB adapter I bought from gearbest.com. This tiny little thing, it converts from micro USB to a regular USB device and vice versa. This is my LG G4, as you can see. I'm gonna put it inside. This is one way to do it. You can just push it in, and that's it, and you can see my device lit up. So and also a really cool thing to do, I think, it's put it in the disconnect key like this. Yeah, like this, and this is pretty cool, I think, right? And I can just push it aside like this, and my phone lit up, and I can go to my file manager, and you can see that USB device is in there. If I take it out, and if I put it back inside, it will appear again. Yeah, so this is a really great thing, pretty cheap. I think it's shipped pretty fast, and I really recommend it. So enjoy.